Yeah, I'm in the car, man. Hey, we had a couple sound issues in the video. So one thing I realized is that with the new iPhone update, if somebody calls me while I'm making a video, see before if somebody called me while I was making a video, the video would just cut off right then and there. I would get pissed and throw a tantrum. But now, with the new iPhone update, when somebody's calling you, I can still record, but it's gonna knock my sound off. So that's my fault. I should have had my phone on Do Not Disturb. So yeah, that's we're gonna fix that. So I know what to do now. I know why the junk got sound issues now. So we fixed that. So I get it. I understand. So my fault. Thank y'all for telling me too. I appreciate y'all for letting me know too. So yeah, that won't happen again. We got it fixed. We good to go.